Hey everybody, this is Luis from Optimum Works, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install one of our assembled railings. As you can see here, this is a modern horizontal assembled railing or guardrail, and it's all welded and put together, ready for you to just install. When you ordered an assembled railing from us, it's going to come with the railing itself, all the bolts needed in order to do the installation, and cover shoes that are used to cover the base plate once installed. The tools you're gonna need in order to do the installation are a pencil, a level, an electric drill, an impact drill, a socket that fits the 3/8 bolt we provide. This is a 9/16 socket, and a drill bit that's a 1/4 inch or less. Step one of installing the railing is to figure out the right placement for the railing. One thing we wanna make sure of is that we're not installing the railing too close to the edge of the wood, because if it's way too close, we could split the wood. So here we have a 1-inch edge. So we're gonna make sure to install the railing 2 inches from the inside. That way we don't drill through the bottom right here of this edge. Once you figure out the placement, then you go ahead and mark the holes that you're gonna drill into. If we have a wall bracket, we're gonna wanna make sure to level our railing out on this side. And once it's leveled, we'll mark the hole. As you can see, right here, we have all of our holes marked. Now that we have our holes marked, we're gonna drill all the pilot holes. And whenever you're drilling a pilot hole, you have to make sure that the diameter of your drill bit is smaller than the actual bolt. Right here, we have a 3/8 bolt, so we're gonna use a 3/16 drill bit. This drill bit doesn't have to necessarily be 3/16, it could be a 1/4 inch or less. You just wanna make sure to drill a pilot hole before entering the bolt, because you'll have high chances of splitting the wood if you just insert the bolt. Now that the holes are marked, we're gonna get to drilling. Once your holes are drilled and you have a railing with a wall bracket, you're gonna want to insert the screw there onto the wall, because it's gonna be a lot more of a hassle to do it when the actual railing is in the way. So you're just gonna dry fit it, take it out, set the railing into position, and grab your impact drill. You're gonna want to bolt it, but you don't have to fully tighten it yet, because we'll fully tighten it once we have all the screws inserted. Remember, you don't need to fully tighten them right now. Just go right before the end. Okay, once you've installed all your bolts with the impact drill on the base plates, we're gonna have to place the level on this side and make sure the railing is plumb. As you can see, we need to bring the railing tighter to this side. So what we're gonna do is tighten the bolts on this side. Okay, once your railing is leveled, we're gonna install this last bolt over here. Okay, perfect. Now that we have the bolts on the base plate secured and tightened, and we have the wall bolt tightened, you're gonna wanna make sure to install the cover shoe. This is a split cover shoe, so it's really easy to take apart like that and put together like that. There you have it. The guardrail is done and installed. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you're interested in handrail and railing products, make sure to check out our page at optimumrails.com. Thank you.